I can identify parallel, perpendicular, and skew lines. The first part of figuring out anything, doesn't matter what the field is understanding what things are called, understanding the English behind the names. And much of this you already know. Parallel lines, two lines that don't touch each other. Perpendicular line, a line that goes at 90 degrees. So if I were to measure this angle, it would be at 90 degrees. It's also called a right angle from another line. And a skew line is a line that does not go at 90 degrees. It just kind of crosses the two. Okay, an intersecting line. That's the jargon. We're going to focus a little bit on parallel lines. We're going to focus on the angles that a skew line makes with parallel lines. And what do you need to know? You can identify the angles formed by two lines in a traversal. Traversal, same thing as a skew line. I can identify adjacent, vertical, complementary, and supplementary angles. So we're going to talk about that. This one, first one is vertical, and you can see that A and B here, these ones are actually equal. Okay, A and B, there's a theorem in there for proving that, but we're not worried about theorems right now. A and B are equal. Adjacent, so if I move A up so that A and B are along the same straight, okay, they then add up to 180 degrees because the angle all the way around the circle is 360, and this is half a circle, a semicircle, which is 180 degrees. Okay, so A and B add up to 180 degrees, and that's where the word supplementary is coming in. Supplementary angles are 180 degrees. That's adjacent. Consecutive interior. Interior meaning the angles are both between the two parallel lines. Consecutive, that both of the angles you're interested in are on the same side of the traversal or the skew line. Okay, so AB, consecutive interior, and they add again to 180 degrees. There's supplementary. If I move the B over there, you can see they're still both inside in between the parallel lines, okay, but one is on one side of the traversal and the other's on the other. Okay, so now we call them alternate because they alternate on either side of the traversal. So you have alternate interior, move them outside, alternate exterior, now they're outside the parallel lines. Corresponding is one is inside, one is outside, so we can't use the interior exterior terminology anymore. So a new term was devised, and that's corresponding. And corresponding angles are equal. Each one, I didn't say this, but each one, A and B are equal. A and B there are equal. Here is when I'll go back and they are supplementary angles. Okay. So if you're asked to quantify any angles like this, like you will be in a worksheet, then just know which ones are equal and which ones supplementary. All right, supplementary angles I've already said add up to 180 degrees, and then complementary angles are just add up to 90. Okay, just jargon, just words for you to know. All right, no understanding the properties of equality. I'm going to let you guys pause that video and go through it. These are things we've learned along the way, but it is worth understanding the terminology.